welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to update your Windows 10 pre-installed apps and also any apps that you may have installed in the Microsoft Store. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in Store. You now need to open the Microsoft Store here. You now need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. You need to go on to Downloads and Updates. And you now need to click on Get Updates. The Microsoft Store will now check for any updates on your apps, and if you do have any, they will appear here and begin to download and install. If all your apps are up to date, then you would just simply have this message pop up here saying you're good to go. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.